Let's learn how to read data from a CSV file in our programming language and how to insert data in MongoDB from a CSV file. So let's begin. So I have a CSV file named as dummy dataset. We will use that. Let's run our file. So we can see that our file is successfully loaded, successfully read, and these are the 5 fields or 5 columns in our file, named as name, occupation, age, gender, and hobby. You can also display the complete file if you want, like this. So you can see the complete file here. If there are any spaces in the name of fields, the name of columns, we have to remove them first. But since there are no spaces, that's not necessary right now. But if you want to remove the spaces, the function for that is this. This will remove all the spaces if there were any from the names. We should actually add a space and then let's see. Let me do that. So I've added spaces in it. Now let's see. You can see there is a space here and another space here, but after running this function here on this line, there are no more spaces. Now let's add this data in MongoDB. Let's insert in the database. Let's name our database as dummy. We should change the name of collection. Let's call it person record. And the name of database is dummy. We have not written quotation marks here. So, and add the dummy data. The data that we just loaded. Now let's run it. Now let's open our Robo 3D, refresh it. You can see a dummy dataset has been added here. You can click on it, open collections. So the collection is person record, which we just added, and you can see the records are added here. Successfully, you can see the JSON format for them as well. and you can see the records are 4, total 4 records. You can also display the count here in R by writing the collection $count. We'll actually have to print it. And I'm going to commit this so that the data is not inserted again. You can see that count is 4. So there you go. We have done it successfully.